deputy governors elect, they raise their hand. Una go notice say they carry something will be like pouch. Whether you be Christian or you be Muslim, you go carry am. Then the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, you will come swear what they call the oath of office and the oath of allegiance. From there, you come out from elect to becoming president, vice president, governor, deputy governor. Make we show una how the thing take happen for the Eagle Square with the vice president, Senator Kashim Shettima, and then the president, Bola Tinubu. Make una see am as the thing take happen earlier today.
With the oath taken, he will now sign documents formalizing the oath that has just been taken. So Vice President Kashim Shettima, officially Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Kashim Shettima taking his position with his wife Nana, the Chief Justice of the Federation, Femi Ariola, backing the cameras and getting ready him in as the next Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I, Kashim Shettima, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
I don't hear the voice of Senator Kashim Shettima. Now, Vice President Kashim Shettima, from the first video, na see saying they sign. After you do the oath, you go sign. Make it not be like say you got to say, now could be force me to do that.
Stop it. I can never influence you. I know your type of person.
Sorry, it's okay.
Just take us to the next video.
Make we see that of the president, Bola Tinubu, the oath of office, and also I take carry and take sign inside biro, say, sign inside paper, say, now we the run now. This country will go drive and go the promised land.
Chants of hooray and rapturous applause as he was taking the oath of office.
Bola Tinubu, do solemnly swear that you will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I will discharge my duties and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability and faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law.
Welcome back to Acid the Hot. Una don't hear as the president, now we just play now, and then the vice president, Oga Kashim Shettima, they've been swear, say they go serve this country and do everything when they feel to see, say they move this country, go the permanent site. Make it not be like, say, we just carry waiting we see for Eagle Square show now. We get people when go Eagle Square now, they there, they see the thing live, and they go use their own mouth, tell us how the thing take be. Make we just connect to Oga Philip Mweli, sharp, go just give us information that stay concerned, how people take gather, security, the things when they talk, and the kind way when body take do people muke for that particular event. Oga Philip Mweli, welcome to Acid the Hot.
Good evening, and greet you for Lagos and across Nigeria.
Thank you very much. We greet you. We could just go straight into the conversation. How everything take happen this morning for inside Eagle Square?
Yeah, thank you very much. You know, early this morning, rain been fall for morning, and we arrived Eagle Square around that kind 8 to start the preparation for the coverage of the swearing in. By the time when we get there, we see say plenty security, full ground, and plenty, and people come they struggle to see how they'll get access. Those when they get card, everybody they go in. You go pass through security check. When you pass the first gate, you pass the second one, then you go past the third one. For the third one, before you go in, now scanning machine. You go walk past the scanning machine. If you get bag, you go drop on somewhere, then go scan that one before then give you back. The thing was a bit rowdy at the time. The security personnel just they find it difficult to get in and manage or force off. As they do, they touch my phone because you never can tell. Anything can happen until we can't succeed. Go inside. When we go inside, we see say they don't arrange where people go stay, where the big men go stay, visiting heads of state, the immediate past president and the incoming president and the vice president. All of them are in, plus supporters, those when they come from various places. The security tight. The program starts, and it starts around, I think, 2 or 3 minutes past 10. They say it will start 10 o'clock and go reach that kind 1 o'clock. But we notice say the thing pass 1 o'clock. So as it starts around that 10, immediately they start all the programs when they talk, say them go do 9 and do. One of which was the lowering of flag. But before I get to the lowering of flag, we go recall say this now the 7th time when we don't they do handover from one civilian to another civilian for Nigeria. So now the climax of all the programs when they say they want to do when they begin on the 23rd of this month, go reach 29th, which is today. So we get a new president today. When we get to Eagle Square, after all the things they do, program, announcing, recognizing people, you know, when one regime won't end, then go lower the flag. That the flag, now the national flag and the defense flag. Then lower them, fold them. The Chief of Army Staff, General Lucky Irabo, now carry him, go give the former president. He take him. As he take him, then he stays small. Now he come out from stadium. Then come mount another flag to show say a new regime don't start. When they lower that former flag, which means they don't come out, the former regime don't end. That's Muhammadu Buhari regime don't end. Then come put a new flag indicating say President Ahmed Bola Tinubu regime don't start. So now so it be. And I go talk say the security situation tight well. People been they fear say some persons go come do protest. That one for hard well because as it be, almost all the roads when it day around the Eagle Square, even before you get to Eagle Square, if you know Lagos well, you know where our office day. Places like up to Echo Hotel, that kind, Sandfield, far place, even up to those Ikeja side. You see, say, them block all of them. So you know go see way to come in there. So there's no way anybody could can do protest. Some they even ask whether some people they say make them watch whether Atiku Abubakar or Peter Obi go come. I tell them say I won't go hard small because you know say they still a verse somehow. Say you know they still a verse, not be say somehow then the verse say now they suppose win the election. So the matter still they court until court judge finish.
All right.
But one thing people go know be say former president they there from other countries, people from United Nations, from ECOWAS, from US and all. For Nigeria, the former military head of state when he did there, now General Yakubu Gowon. The former civilian president when he come, now former president Goodluck Jonathan and their wife.
All right, Oga Philip we like as you just summarize everything when happen. The thing will go make plenty Nigerians belong sweet now say that security when some people been they fear for. It really shows say if our security people dey on top of situation, then they on top of the situation. Thank you very much. We appreciate you. Thank you for this information from Eagle Square as it take happen today where you give us. Our people when they for us, we could just enter inside quick break. When we go this break, come back, we go enter inside the rivers. We get Onyekachi Nwosu. When go tell us how things happen for rivers, we also bring Kano, enter them. Before we come play some of the talk where we say Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu talk as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Today they loaded on top of us now special inauguration special. No go anywhere. We they come back.
Center will talk about that. Just like the government some people don't hear. They will seal up their ear. Once they seal up their ear, they will go back to sleep.
You know, my best conversations are the ones that are the warmest.
It's nothing but God.
Like, what if you never get to blow? Like, what if you never make it in life? What do you want to do with your life?
A lot of men, divorce is rampant.
It's not just about the interview, but about the connection.
I was a props man, the car props man. I was a producer.
Wow.
Sweet, I'll be like,
I can't play a part, you can't play my part. You know, we have a lot of great conversations on With Today, but there's some of them that I say you have to watch.
Until you normalize mistake, you will never enjoy your life.
Yes.
Dr. Makinde said, Mika, this is prolapse.
But there was no one to take care of me.
I don't want to break down. Ow.
With Trudy showing Sundays 5 p.m. on Wazobia Max TV.
Every day, plenty things they happen for this our country.
But on top politics and leadership, now there plenty matter day to settle.
Waiting government they talk, and the one where politicians come they do so.
On top the matter, as they take affect country people, now there we don't carry on enter inside so.
Cocoa of the matter. Politicians, experts, and our leaders, they go touchlight the matter give us.
You self, go chook mouth, talk your own. For
Cocoa of the matter.
Cocoa of the matter. Showing Tuesdays and Thursdays, 7 p.m. on Wazobia Max TV.
What is difficult? Hello and welcome to the show. Now, better talk with this.
I start from nowhere, call they sing, he rush. That's not what I rush enter Nigeria.
Once you just marry or anything, you know, say now you don't get married, you know, if they wear that kind of thing, and boo-boo, I go just the way. I'm not old.
Now, what make you see plenty women outside where they say they don't get home training. Election. Now, what did I talk? Say, mistakes they make me admit. Say, some mistakes they I look for a way to get better.
Now, better women, they do so. If you educate a woman, you're educating the nation. And for other people, this life is very hard. Don't be the source of another person's problem. Single ladies, when they live in their papa and mama house, share them be wife material.
If anything happen, hello daddy. Even me, I guess, I see which kind of problematic family do this.
So don't miss us too much, because before you blink like this, we are back for you.
Welcome back. The program still remains as it is hot, and of course, we did that very moment, that day where a lot of us don't anticipate. That day where we say yes, a new government, a new sheriff take over power from the past. And as we talk right now, we get a new president in town, and the name now President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will take over from the past president, that is Oga Buhari. So as the right now, also can go our branch for inside Abuja. Also follow one of our reporter talk there, where they on the ground of where the whole inauguration take happen. That is Oga Philip Mueli. He can give us updates on a lot of things. Securities take tight. And the fact say yes, even in the course of the whole process, everything just went well as planned and as scheduled as the talks they go to. And from here, I don't know if our reporter where they from where they Rivers, Onyekachi, also whether in they standby. We could also get confirmation from Port Harcourt, that is for Rivers State. We could know how the whole inauguration for inside Port Harcourt take happen. So I don't know. Onyekachi most done there on standby. Hello, Onyekachi Mosu.
Yes.
You did there? Are they would agree to now?
Yes, I did. Good evening. I did hear you.
I beg you did hear me, but your network is bad in a way. You know too clean. You hear us now?
Okay, Onyekachi, what we go do now? Say maybe you could just help us change location so that it go there clearer. if you don't clear, we go just allow you opportunity to just quickly tell us how did it take happen for inside the Rivers State today. So I beg, just if you feel help us find one place where you go there, just find another place when you go there clearer, make we feel hear you. Our people went there for house. Before we connect Oga Onye Kachim Wosu, we follow Oga Philip Nweli talk. Oga Philip Nweli using 2 legs, waka enter inside the good square, and he using eyes, koro, see how things take happen for there, and he give us information. We get Victor Christopher for inside Kano. We go also tell us how things take happen for inside the Kano, but we want make sure say Oga Onye Kachim Wosu, they very, very clear. Make we fit get the information as it take concern what happen for inside the River State. So now go remember say for the introduction, I've been talk say 28 states across Obodo, Nigeria, now inauguration ceremony happen. For some people, then they go back for second term. For some people, now the first time when they enter. For some political parties, now their first time for inside the government. For some, now then don't they control government since 1999, or the thing don't change, or the thing don't balance. Oga Onye Kachim Wosu, it be like say the network never really balance. What we go do now to try connect Oga Victor Israel, when they for Victor Christopher, when they for inside Kano, making give us information as it take concern what happen for Kano today. Some people even talk say get one stage for Kano where they do the inauguration. As people full everywhere choke, they say the stage fall, but nothing happened to anybody. These are some of the issues we will discuss with Oga Victor Christopher. Now what they show now for the screen? So
at the stage, now be that.
The stage now be that. Una go even notice say some people even climb on top of the pavilion. People they talk say, what's happen? Shena say space no the way we say una even climb on top of the canopy. But thankfully, like we talk, nothing happened to anybody for that place. So, but today important. Maybe people they very, very careful. Make something of joy, not content to thing of sadness. Hopefully, Oga Victor Christopher go join us to give us details how the thing take happen. If you not check, una go see say red cap, na food here. The person when we say na be the Oga of the red cap movement, na Dr. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, him be former governor of Kano State. Then they call the movement the Kwankwasia movement. Then they wear red cap. Many of the NMPP political party supporters and lovers of Dr. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso and the new governor, now them full that stadium. So,
of course, and that is why, of course, just as my brother Chukwu talk, apart from the normal regular parties where they used to, the 2 major parties where we they use, that is PDP and APC. For this particular election we just passed, we see new 1 or 2 parties, as a matter of fact, 2 parties emerging and taking over the mantle of leadership for different states. And this Kano State now one of the states where a new party take over. And the party will take over for Kano State. Now NNP, that is the New Nigeria People's Party. Now it take over and then knock out the candidates of the APC come up from that position. And another party will also emerge. We'll be seeing a new party, now the Labour Party for inside Abia State. As a new sheriff also have taken over there. Alex Oti, now be the new governor for inside Abia, and in they carry the flag of Labour Party. And of course, in as much as they talk or say yes, a new sheriff don't take over where they represent new party. Everything where they anticipate for, waiting the various people where they reside for this state would anticipate for, now make them experience good leadership. At least leadership will go they better off from the previous ones, or leadership will say good anticipate for something where they good in the nearer future. These are many more I believe a lot of Nigerians they crave for. And across other states where new governors and of course some governors when they come in for second time don't take over, Nigerians go also they expect something new or perhaps a continuation of that particular leadership to pick up. And as it be right now, we get some kind of things where we also go show now for our big screen here, because some kind of reports they will also want something now. We got to deal with the inauguration will happen for inside Abuja. But right about now, make we enter Kano. Victor Christopher, where the report from Kano don't stand by. Victor Christopher, you're welcome to Ask in the Hot.
Good evening.
We greet you. How you doing now?
How are you?
We dey fine.
How? Very, very fine.
How is Kano?
Kano day very, very hot as always.
All right, okay, Victor Christopher, we could just go straight into the conversation. Just quickly give us summary of what happened for the venue of the inauguration for inside Kano State today. Now, new political party just enter. We see the crowd from the video. And we even see say stage even collapse. Just give us summary of what happened for the swearing in today for inside Kano State.
Yes, what really happened for Kano? You know, funny at all because the crowd too much. Even me, I remember say I leave office around that kind to 8, after 8, they try go the Sani Abacha Stadium where everything happened now. Road no day to pass. Everybody with their red cap and white kaftan and black shoes, they block everywhere. So to enter the stadium self can't be one kind problem. And the crowd there, normal for that Sani Abacha Stadium. Now like the stadium now 20,000 seaters. But people full everywhere. The whole seat, people full. Center of the stadium, people gather full there. So the thing not just funny at all. The crowd too much.
All right, Oga Victor Christopher, from the crowd what we see, it's very clear, say, this government be like government when they enjoy popular support. You follow people talk, you ask them what be their expectations of this government, or their belly they switch them as this new government don't enter.
Yes, the thing we say, their belly they really sweet them. You remember say the major person wey get this political party na former Kano State Governor Senator Rabi Musa Kwankwaso. And Kwankwaso na person wey be say the kind people where they follow am, people wey dey follow am plenty gong. Like when I dey even go there, our driver come dey even tell me say see the kind people wey dey turn out today. You sure say this man no just these people. So people expectation be say they want make the new governor Abba Kabir Yusuf to continue waiting the previous governor, that's Rabi Musa Kwankwaso do. They want maybe say he follow Rabi Musa Kwankwaso footstep. All those free and compulsory education, make him carry people, make him renovate those schools. All those schools where they say they face plenty challenge of dilapidated structure. They want make it revive them, make it arrange everything, just like the former governor.
Oga Victor Christopher, thank you very much for this information. When we say you don't give us, we happy say we get people for different parts of Nigeria. When you use the eye, see how things they happen, and they don't give us this information. Thank you very much, Victor Christopher. Victor Christopher, now our top person for inside Kano, and he don't give us information where we say, if we tell you now, say, on top of Acid Hot, on top of Wazobia Max TV, we not small.
Our network spread.
We just say we they use my talk. It don't clear now. Should we not see?
Then they say our network spread.
Now my brother they inside Lagos studio. We don't follow person talk for Abuja. We don't follow person. We try follow person talk for Rivers. We don't follow person talk for Kano. Now what we go do now? That to just match go. This our screen. This our screen. When they we go match go. We go take pictures from different parts of Nigeria. How ceremony take happen. How things take play out for some of these states there. Then most importantly, it gets some kind talk when we say the president, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu talk as he enter. We go let you now watch the video. Then we'll go carry senior man inside APC, Engineer Remi Omowaye. Hopefully he go connect with us to break down some of this talk when Asiwaju Bola Tinubu talk for an inaugural address as president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I want to stand up now. Make I go the screen. Make we just the slide. Make una see how things happen for different parts of Nigeria. Make I just go there now. Una see now. Exactly. So I don't do our screen like this. Make I just begin the slide. This one Bola Tinubu, I see the wave hand for Eagle Square, Abuja, at the hand of our president. Be this. In the wave, the tell people say, in happy, say then come out to celebrate. I mean, they acknowledge as they greet them also. Exactly. This one now from Ogun State. Oga Dakpo Abiodun na inde like this. So the governor of Ogun State. Remember, I tell you, say some people they go for second term, some people na their first term. This one na in second term in office. And this na the person will be say in win the election for inside Kano State. In name na Abba Kabir Yusuf. Una go remember say Christopher Victor been tell us about red cap and white kaftan. This now where in the swear say in go serve the people. And this is a photo of the military band during the presidential inauguration. Una see the trombone when this one carry. If you blow already, boom, una go know say sound they come out. And then our military people in their ceremonial outfit as them day. This horse una go see say the horse even follow wear color. Today na really day of celebration. Oh. This now Governor Siminia Larry Fubara of Rivers State. Now they succeed Governor Wike. as governor of Rivers State, una see as in the inside the open motor where in they receive a greeting. This now Yakubu Gowon Stadium for inside the Rivers State. The march pass for the president, they go march. Now go hear jum, 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 jum. As then they acknowledge Oga Presido. Our military formation, they on standby for that particular place. So these are northern leaders. Then they represent culture, don't mix. Everybody inside Obodo, Nigeria. Oluwo of Iwo land, this is a traditional ruler for inside Osun State, himself there, well represented. This is the podium for the Eagle Square, the stage where we say our president stand on top. When I see police officers now, they wear their ceremonial outfits too. This is the people where we say they blow music. Earlier today, rain follow, na shower of blessing for inside the River State. But no shaking, people sit down, they come out say they go celebrate. This one are here for Lagos. Person when they go for second term, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, in they tell them, say, thumbs up, una vote for me, we did together, we go make this state move forward. And this is now Governor Wike in last wave to the people of Rivers State as a governor. And see President Muhammadu Buhari, no. Former President, this life is beautiful. Who could be not sing, I beg?
Everything shall be alright.
Hey! And everything seems to be falling apart. He said, shall be alright.
Okay,
just stick to your uzobu.
No, I give remix.
Oh, Yadike. Exactly.
Oh, sorry.
President Muhammadu Buhari. Former President Muhammadu Buhari, as he dey waka comot for inside Aso Villa. Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, sir. See you in Daura, sir. You don't reach Daura. You don't
Daura
go
or Niger?
No, na Daura now.
But he talk saying they go Niger.
He say if they disturb him for Daura, he go enter Niger.
And either of these two places.
Now Daura he go. Now you said you go for sure. You go disturb him.
No,
he go in Mama village.
Give options. He say it is either you go Daura or you go Niger.
Our people went there for house now. We go open our phone lines. Make una call us. We won't ask important question. The question I say, what will be your expectation of the government of President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu? What will be your expectation? You believe say this government go deliver? Make una not forget say 8 years ago on this date, 8 years ago, everybody they talk say, former President Muhammadu Buhari go do. You see how things take happen. It's sweet you for Bele. You believe say this na Nigeria where he promise us. Now we don't get new president. Bola Ahmed Tinubu. What will be your expectations? You believe say go move this country, go the promised land? When we go this break, come back, we will open our phone lines, make una call and tell us una mind as it take concern this matter.
I'm from the past president. He said, I am for everybody, I am from nobody. Make we go. This man show us shaking.
Seal up their ear. Once they seal up their ear, they will go back to sleep.
Good morning, Niger. Wow, things they happen every day. Now from one story to the other.
And these things they happen for our eyes, but we no go tired to talk am as we dey see am. Our entertainment tori unko. E no dey miss story yakpa.
And even for sport. No be only sports, we dey give you correct information wey go help you run your business matter.
But wait, tori suppose dey reliable. E suppose carry better truth come body.
Nothing dey more important pass make we get am right.
We go help you run your day if you dey watch us.
The Good Morning Niger Show, showing weekdays 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. only on Wazobia Max TV. Getting better school grades just got easier. Watch You Lesson on Wazobia Max TV every Monday to Friday, 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Hello and welcome to the show. Now, better talk with this.
And I start from nowhere, come they sing, he dey rush. That's so water rush enter Nigeria.
Once you just marry or anything, you know, say now you don't get married, you know, if they wear that kind of thing, and boo I go just they wear. I'm not old.
Now, what make you see plenty women outside where they say they don't get home training. election. Now, what did I talk? Say, mistakes they make me admit, say some mistakes they, and look for a way to get better.
Now, better women did this show. If you educate a woman, you're educating the nation. And for other people, this life is very hard. Don't be the source of another person's problem. Single ladies, when they live in their papa and mama house, share them be wife material.
If anything happen, hello daddy. Even me, I say which kind of problematic family be this?
So don't miss us too much, because before you blink like this, we are back for
you.
Independent.
Better Talk, showing Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday on top Wazobia Max TV.
They will seal up their ear. Once they seal up their ear, they will go back to sleep.
Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezuku Chukwudanu Kubide inside studio on this inauguration special. Today, May 29, we see the start of a new dispensation. President Bola Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima, they don't sit down for the driver's seat of this country to move this our country go the permanent side. And we ask you now, very important question. We ask you now, say, your expectations of this government. What will be your expectations? As you look this government so like this now, you believe, say, the government go deliver. Make we even make the thing very, very easy for now. What we go do now, say, we go just carry some of the important things when Bola Tinubu talk in his first address as president of Nigeria. He been talk about subsidy. He said fuel subsidy, no more as Nigeria dey like this. He also talk about security. Say Nigeria must dey kajad where people no go to die anyhow. Then he also talk say some people don't invest in this country. Our heroes, they don't do well. And those people, their sacrifice for this country is not supposed to waste. We'll just play the videos them straight. Then we will begin to take the calls until the end of the show. What when I go tell us, say, this government, based on your church mind, or your mosque mind, or your shrine mind, or your anyhow mind, you believe or you don't believe. When I watch.
Subsidy. Unfortunate. The budget that I've glimpsed before I assume office, and what I've heard, is that no provision is there for fuel subsidy. The fuel subsidy is gone. Subsidy can no longer justify an ever increasing cost and the wake of dry resources. Security shall be top priority of our administration because neither prosperity nor justice can prevail amid insecurity and violence. To effectively tackle this, we shall reform both our security doctrine and its architecture. We shall invest more in our security personnel, and it means more than an increase in number. Over decades ago, our founding fathers bravely gave us this country to place Nigeria on the map of an independent nation. We must never allow the labor of those who came before us to wither in vain, but to blossom and bring forth a better reality. let us take the next great step. The journey they began and believed in. Today, let us commit ourselves to placing Nigeria in our hearts as the indispensable home for each and every one of all, regardless of creed.
I don't hear the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we take some of the important things when he talk for that inaugural address. He talk plenty things, so what we go just do now to just summarize some of this talk where we say in talk. The summary go help us to fit look and say, okay, this thing they important. This one they well as he take talk up. And the reason why I want to do this one is so that it go there very, very clear and people go understand. The first thing when he talk there about fuel subsidy, for that video we play, he say fuel subsidy is gone. And I know say subsidy in a payment when government they pay, so that those when they carry oil come inside this country, it go help them. And instead of making they buy for high amount, as government up over 50%, it go reduce that price. And people don't come and talk say this thing no they sustainable. How we go they pay billions? Some people they put out for pockets. Our refineries know they work, and other things we supposed to use money do, we know they use them do. And you don't talk saying government go make sure say they do the thing well. More take Priye from Goa, the Bayelsa state capital. Before we continue to the give una the summary they go. Oga Priye, welcome to Aside Hot.
Yeah. On a good evening.
Good evening, Oga Priye.
On a good evening.
Yeah, we greet you.
Who could be on a day?
We dey fine.
Ah, that side.
Everywhere just pure.
The thing they say, we dey pray, say as our new president don't come, we dey pray for new hope. We dey pray for new Nigeria. Because the past government, what we don't experience, we not go fit talk am. So where would they come from? So now we go fit explain. We know if you explain where would they go.
Oga Priye, thank you very much for this your contribution. You don't talk and say, we dey hope for better things to come. Talking about hope, you also talk about commodity boards to be reintroduced. These commodity boards, now boards where we say, then go they chook eye for things where we say we they do. As it take concern agencies of government and the economy of our great country, Nigeria. He also talk say the CBN must get unified exchange rates. That what I mean say, the one where we say black market go they sell 700 and something naira to the dollar. For some other places, it go be 500 and something. For bank, it go be 400 and something. He say, no, we must get unified one. So that it don't go be like say some people they enjoy, while others them they under pressure. He can also talk say the Central Bank of Nigeria, the senior program for the bank, say go carry broom, carry packer, carry mopping stick, carry detergent, enter inside there to clean the place. Because the bill I say some kind of dirty they inside there. Kelechi, they call us from Lagos. Kelechi, welcome to Aside Hot.
Kelechi, they hear you talk to us.
Yeah, I'm speaking.
Oh yeah, would they hear you talk to us?
Yeah, what I'm saying, I thank God for inauguration today.
Kelechi, your TV they on. You know if they listen to yourself and they talk to us. Now either make you off your TV or make you come out from where you dey. Make you talk to us.
I thank God for inauguration today.
Okay. So thank God.
Yeah, I am praying that God will use these people. When He use them, as He use them, God will give them the wisdom to rule us.
Amen. But it go good make our callers they know the question what they ask. The question what they ask now say, what will be your expectation? We know everybody they thankful and everybody they pray. But what will be your expectation? Looking at what would they face for inside Obodo Nigeria today now? What would they face? What do you expect this government to prioritize? Now, why would they give you now all these items and we play those videos for now? Because if you now hear what Oga President talk, it's very, very clear how you want to take move for in government. Talking about movement, he also talk about interest rates. He say interest rates, they're very, very high. And the thing they affect our economy. Say they go bring the interest rates down so that they make the economy they shake. He can also talk about focus on infrastructure and job creation. Say jobs go there. Young people no go work finish or learn skill finish, come back on they sit down for house. So that they no go they run come up for inside this our country. Chinedu they call us. Chinedu, welcome to Aside Hot.
Hello, Chinedu.
Okay. I said the network no allow Chinedu.
Shapal, make we read the messages where you don't send to us on WhatsApp. And this one, they come from Regina, all the way from Jos. Say, good evening, as the hot. Congratulations to the new government. All what Nigeria want now is good governance and looking at a better economy, security, and health sector. Ikoshiko also further talk, say, but what Nigeria wants to know is about this subsidy. Please, we should be clear on this, because fuel section, fuel station now will start to dey close onto this particular statement where the president talk on say subsidy he don't remove. And this one also they come from Franklin. Franklin sent this message from Nnewi Anambra. He say, good evening, my people in the studio. I pray our new president, I pray he perform very well. At least make it actually disappoint some of us where some of them will get doubt about him. Make it even disappoint and say, unto say yes, are they giving a good leadership? Make it disappointed, make sure through show say yes, leadership makes sense. So far, these are the messages we don't see for WhatsApp. But we'll get somebody with their telephone line right now. Hello, good evening and welcome to As They Hot.
Yeah, good evening, Kubi and Ezukudi.
We greet you, Oga Ben.
We greet you. Would you hear you talk to us, Oga Ben?
Yeah, waiting me, I want to talk with say, as president, the new president, you talk say the fuel subsidy is gone. I pray it should be gone. And the youth empowerment, I will be grateful if that is possible. That is what we're looking for. So the thing there is you should fulfill the promises, that is all. And we'll be grateful, and Nigeria will move to the next level. That is all.
Oga Ben, thank you very much. Oga Ben, they're very, very clear on what in the expectations be. He say, as Oga President don't talk, say fuel subsidy is gone. Make fuel subsidy really and truly come out. He can also talk about job creation and youth empowerment. We like this expectation because we get plenty young people inside the border Nigeria. And these young people are people where we say, at this time of their life, they're supposed to use their power, they work. If they know they use their power, they work. What thing they going to do? And if these people call old and they don't work when they're young, that's a serious problem. Joshua, they call us from Oyo State. Oga Joshua, welcome to As They Hot.
Oga Joshua.
Yes.
I bet come on from where your TV there or make you bring the volume down completely. Talk to us.
Okay. Now, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
With the year, you continue.
Oga Joshua, your volume still there up. Now, why the thing not clear? Make we just quickly complete what in Asiwaju Bola Tinubu talk for in key points. He talk say electricity generation, transmission and distribution. Say they go focus more. And states go fit participate. Una know say until Oga President been put eye, we been the get situation where we say everything we generate go national grid. He talk say then go try increase them so that wahala no go there. Then he can also talk about all investments inside this country and multiple taxation when they make people pockets they strong, say then go come out and then finally profits go they enter inside the country pocket and Nigerians then go they fill up. Oga Shegun they call us from Lagos. Oga Shegun, welcome to As They Hot.
Yeah, please.
Oga Shegun.
Yeah, what I pray all that way make it fulfill, make it do away.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Oga Shegun. Of course, from what you talk, say all the things where you promise, make it do and well. And Abdullah said we'll get another person with that.
Miriam.
Madam Miriam. Madam Miriam, you there? Try.
Our people when they for our house, who they talk say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Make we join our hand together to move this our country go the permanent site. As the matter dey like this now, we don't get new president. Former President Muhammadu Buhari, now former we go they put for a name now. He don't serve in 8 years, he don't go. President Bola Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima, now then they for control of government now. Remember, say we also talk say inauguration happen across 28 states, whether for second term or the person when just they enter. It is very, very important. Make everybody get out for the back of their mind. Say all of us must work, support those when they government so that this country go better. Remember what I talked for the beginning. Nigeria go flourish. But now our hand is there to make the country flourish. as government they do their own, the people must support government and also do their own part as citizens to see say everything go siriri where.
Okay, make I read this same message. Though the person no put in name. Say make the president make you open borders, make food enter first. People they hungry, and this person name now Mr. Okay, don't say the name, Mr. Mojola. Now Mr. Mojola send this particular message, and from that particular message from Mr. Mojola, make I also read this one. This person talks, say, good evening, as they hot. My name is Taiwo, calling from Ibadan. My expectation be say, hope say education credit will get priority. That is educational areas, make it get proper priority. And that message they come from Taiwo, from Ibadan. And this person talks, say, good evening, my people, my good people of Nigeria. Power don't change, and my expectation is for the president to help and clear end power beneficiary stipends since January, because youth empowerment is key to every regime. Mende, this one name na Mende, all the way from Jos.
Maybe we take Matthias, our final caller, before we wrap. Oga Matthias, welcome to Aside Hot.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. What will be your expectations of the new government?
Yeah, good, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Matthias.
Oh yeah, would they hear you talk to us?
Yeah, I come from Lagos.
Would they hear you talk?
Yeah, I say this regime of new president, make the open border, make everything day well for Nigeria. People is hungry.
Okay, thank you very much, Matthias, for that message. We get another person with their telephone line. Rita. Good evening, Rita.
Yes, so good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Would they hear you talk to us? Rita, would they hear?
It be like say network no allow Rita make a contribution. We get poll when we put up on top of our WhatsApp, our Facebook arrangement. So if you they follow Wazobia Max TV, go there, go vote. The question when we ask now, are you optimistic about the new administration? Whether your belly is sweet, you say this new administration go do well. 42% say yes. 58% say no. The poll still there. Go there, go talk your own mind. We also see people for on top of YouTube when they tell us how they feel about the government. We appreciate all of you now. All the people who call to make their contribution, we appreciate you now. Until we come back again on Wednesday to discuss matter wey concern all of us inside Obodo Nigeria. Make una sleep well. Una bye bye.
Una bye bye.